Imagine a reality where your home responds to the subtle movements of your hand, completely eliminating the need to touch a screen. To an outside observer, you are performing magic. But it is the culmination of decades of wearable technology. Evolution, leading to a device poised to make traditional smartwatches feel like cumbersome relics. For years, humanity has been tethered to screens. Our wrists bear the weight of glowing rectangles that demand absolute attention, vibrating with notifications and trapping us in a cycle of battery anxiety. But what if the next monumental leap in consumer technology is completely invisible? We are looking deep into the secretive world of Apple's hardware development to uncover everything about the anticipated 2026 Apple Smart Ring, based on newly uncovered patents, supply chain whispers, and Apple's trajectory toward ambient computing. This screenless marvel is preparing to disrupt the wearable market, threatening to render the Oura Ring and the Samsung Galaxy Ring obsolete overnight. To fully grasp the magnitude of the Apple Ring, we must first understand the fundamental philosophy shift occurring deep within Apple Park. Over the last 10 years, the Apple Watch has undeniably dominated the global wearable space. Yet, it possesses inherent flaws that cannot be solved with a faster chip. It is inherently intrusive. It disrupts your sleep with unwanted illumination, vibrates during moments of required silence, and demands constant feeding. Apple's leadership is acutely aware that the future of personal technology lies in ambient computing. This is a paradigm where technology fades into the background, quietly gathering data and executing tasks without demanding active engagement. The Apple Ring embodies this philosophy perfectly, while competitors like Oura and Samsung have diligently tested the waters, proving that a massive consumer base hungers for passive, screen-free health tracking. Apple has maintained its strategy of strategic patience. They do not strive to be first to market. They strive to be the best. By observing the limitations of current smart rings and filing revolutionary patents, Apple has laid the groundwork for a launch that will redefine the category. When designing a piece of technology intended to be worn 24 hours a day, the physical engineering must transcend traditional consumer electronics and enter the realm of premium jewelry. It cannot feel like a gadget. According to supply chain analysts, Apple is leveraging an aerospace-grade titanium chassis for the outer shell. Titanium is the ultimate material for a finger-bound wearable. It is remarkably lightweight, highly resistant to daily scratches, and naturally hypoallergenic. This mirrors the material strategy Apple executed with the iPhone Pro lineup, now miniaturized into an elegant band. The interior of the ring will be coated in a smooth, medical-grade resin, meticulously designed to house a dense array of miniaturized biometric sensors while maintaining absolute comfort against the skin. But the physical design hides a mechanical secret that separates the Apple Ring from every competitor. Apple secured a fascinating patent detailing a physical rotating outer band. Drawing inspiration from the digital crown found on the Apple Watch, this outer layer can be spun with your thumb. It represents a flawless marriage of analog feedback and precise digital control. However, the rotating bezel is merely the foundation of the interactive capabilities. The unparalleled superpower of the 2026 Apple Ring is detailed in a groundbreaking patent labeled as skin-to-skin contact detection. This technology transforms your entire hand into an invisible remote control for the entire Apple ecosystem, packed with advanced accelerometers, gyroscopes, and haptic drivers. The ring can precisely map the exact moment, pressure, and location of your fingers touching one another. Picture yourself walking down a busy street, listening to music. A phone call interrupts your playlist. You do not need to retrieve your iPhone from your pocket, nor reach up and tap your AirPods. You simply tap your thumb and index finger together, and the call connects. Want to skip to the next track? A swift swipe of your thumb across the side of your index finger executes the command. Need to quietly dismiss an alarm during a meeting? A quick clench of your fist silences it instantly. The Apple Ring bridges the gap between human intention and digital reaction, bypassing graphical interfaces entirely. This invisible control system leads directly into the most critical reason for the device's existence, which is the Apple Vision Pro. Navigating the spatial computing environment currently relies heavily on the headsets. External cameras tracking the micro-movements of your hands. While highly advanced, this optical tracking system has limitations. If you are in a dimly lit room, or if your hands are resting comfortably out of sight under a blanket, the cameras lose tracking fidelity. The Apple Ring eradicates this problem completely. By utilizing ultra-wideband technology, the Ring acts as a persistent, highly accurate physical anchor. It relays low-latency, incredibly precise spatial data directly to the Vision Pro headset, regardless of lighting conditions or line of sight. For anyone intending to adopt spatial computing, the Apple Ring will quickly transition from an optional accessory to a mandatory tool, transitioning to the daily utility that will drive mass consumer adoption. We examine the comprehensive health and sleep tracking capabilities. The Apple Watch is a formidable fitness tracker, but its bulky form factor makes it a highly contested device for sleep tracking. Millions of users simply refuse to wear a thick block of aluminum and glass to bed. The Apple Ring's impossibly light and screenless form factor solves this entirely, making it the ultimate nighttime companion. Apple is packing the inner resin band with clinical-grade biometric sensors. This includes continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen saturation tracking, deep sleep analysis, and highly sensitive temperature sensors. These sensors will provide incredibly precise cycle tracking for women's health, predicting ovulation, with a level of baseline accuracy that wrist-worn devices struggle to achieve. Every morning, this passive data will be aggregated into a comprehensive readiness score on your iPhone, telling you exactly how well your body has recovered. Naturally, the ultimate success of this ambient device hinges on power management. If a user has to charge their smart ring every single day, the illusion of invisible technology shatters. This is where the absence of an old screen becomes the greatest advantage. Combined with a custom-designed, ultra-efficient silicon chip, engineered for this microscopic footprint, the Apple Ring is projected to deliver between 7 to 10 days of solid-state battery life on a single charge. You will only need to remove the ring to charge it 3 or 4 times a month, effectively eliminating the chronic battery anxiety that has plagued smartwatch users for over a decade. When it comes to pricing, market analysts place the device firmly in the sweet spot of $299 to $399. This pricing strategy is calculated to aggressively match the established Oura Ring and Samsung Galaxy Ring, while offering unparalleled integration with the iPhone ecosystem. For users entrenched in Apple's walled garden, a $300 wearable that seamlessly commands their devices, perfect spatial computing, and offers superior sleep tracking is an undeniable proposition. The Apple Watch will remain a dedicated fitness tool, but the Apple Ring will emerge as the ultimate invisible companion.